A round of applause, please. Once again, a round of applause for the second Cebu Maritime Expo is now officially open. Please stay for the photo opportunity. Our special guest will have the honor of touring the booth first. So let's get ready for an incredible showcase of maritime excellence and innovation. Enjoy the expo, everyone!
Okay, magigala no, opisyal lang gibuksan ang Cebu Maritime Expo. Miss Ice, here I am. Muna ang ilaha nga boss diri. Hi ma'am, this is
Shipping. We are from China shipyard.
You're from China. Okay. Thank you. Your services include
Shipbuilding.
okay. Okay. So Philippine sa Coast Guard ni, no? Okay. Great Southern Maritime Services Corporation. Okay, kini siya Sea Safe Quality Assurance. Okay. Unsa ni siya nga company, ma'am? Engaged in what?
Certification.
Ha?
Certification, certifying.
Okay. Sea Safe Quality Assurance Incorporated. Maghatag mo og ISO certification, services of lainlaing nga mga management systems like in compliance sa national o international standards. So mo ang ilang serbisyo diri, no? Design standard for Philippines Seawater, DOST, UC, SPST. Fastcat. Okay, mo ni ang barko nga akong sakyan paingon dito sa lalawigan sa Bohol. O say bago sa Fastcat, ma'am? Masay bago sa Fastcat. Masay mga new services sa Fastcat. Live from DYLA.
Hello po, I'm Elmer from Fastcat.
Okay.
So Fastcat offers ferry services for transportation. It's open for passengers and rolling cargos. And our routes are in Batangas, Calapan. We have routes all over the Philippines. Batangas, Calapan, Bulalakaw, Katipunan. We also have a route here in Cebu and from Visayas to Mindanao, which is the Liloan to Surigao and Dumaguete to Pintan.
Okay. Tubigon, Tubo. Cebu to Tubigon.
Cebu to Tubigon and San Carlos to Toledo.
Oh, doon na mo'y Bisaya ka dili, Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Mayroon ba kayong mga bagong rota? Wala naman.
We're actually planning to open Zamboanga, Basilan.
Zamboanga, Basilan.
Yes po.
Oh.
Yes po.
Diyan.
Pero this year, plan po to open the route.
Okay ba ang study no? Marami bang passengers doon?
Yes po, marami po. Actually, stable na po yung Basilan ngayon, Zamboanga and Basilan. And we can explore more of the Philippines and explore Basilan now kasi mag-open tayo ng route dun, sir. And papasok tayo as new entrant dun sa mga competitors dun. So, hopefully, maging maayos yung sea transportation sa Mindanao.
Okay, maraming salamat ho.
Okay po.
Okay.
Thank you din po.
Passenger nyo ako sa Cebu to Tubigon. Okay, kasi taga Bohol ako.
Kamusta naman, sir?
Okay.
Thank you po.
Sana mayroong wifi yung barko ninyo katulad ng ibang vessel. Wi-Fi services.
Magkakaroon po ng Starlink Wi-Fi sa vessels.
Kailan? Soon?
Soon po. Soon.
Okay, sige.
Sir, baka gusto nyo pong mag-book today. Pwede kaming mag-book na.
Hindi pa kasi wala akong specific schedule na umuwi doon sa amin. Pag may free time lang kasi nagtrabaho ako dito sa Cebu.
Sir, wait lang. Bigyan kita ng giveaways.
Ha?
Bigyan po kita ng giveaways.
Okay, salamat. Thank you, ha? What's your name again, ma'am?
Zairel.
Ha?
Zairel, sir.
Okay, you are the
Marketing assistant.
sa Fastcat. Okay, thank you, ha? Thank you very much. Zyrel. Okay. So, auto manghigala, no?
Again, we will resume our program by 10:45 a.m.
Wala.